shutdown, restart, schedule the shutdown and restart. Alam mo ba na pwede mong i-execute yan gamit ang command prompt? Sa search box, type mo lang CMD and then yung sa command prompt, right click, run as administrator. And para sa ating unang command, i-type mo lang dyan, shutdown-s, and then it will execute a shutdown command sa ating PC or laptop. The PC will shut down in about 30 seconds. So since this is a tutorial, i-upload lang natin yan by running -a switch. So ang ginagawa natin, naglalagay tayo ng mga switches kagaya ng -s, -r, -a. So ang tawag dyan ay mga command switches. So sa next command natin, lalagyan natin ng timer yung pag-shutdown ng PC. So yung command shutdown -s and then -t for timer, and then 3,600 seconds equivalent to 1 hour. So yan yung magiging message mo pag in-execute mo yung command na yan. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng message or comment before mag-shutdown yung PC by adding the -c command switch. After ng switch na -c, ilagyan mo siya ng quotation, and then at the end ng message mo, lagyan mo ulit ng close quotation. That's it. So once i-execute mo yan, magkakaroon pa ng message na ganito. That's it. Ilan lang yan sa mga command switch na pwede mong gamitin to shut down or restart, or even schedule the shutdown or restart ng yung laptop or PC.